put it on rotate. See that? I had to put it on rotate real quick so I can spin it. Oops, too much spin. Right there, perfect. And put it back on hammer. Y'all see that?
No.
Now I got it in position to where I want it. Not yet, not yet.
That's a wood roller.
See that? It's loose?
Yep. Yeah.
I appreciate y'all joining the live. If y'all could drop me some likes, I appreciate y'all. And whenever y'all done, go check out some of my recent uploads. Subscribe if y'all don't mind. I really appreciate y'all. My guy Rich said subscribe to his channel too, but he ain't promoting it, so I gotta help him promote it. I gotta help him promote his channel, y'all. We're trying to get up there. So he's trying to make that crazy money. I told him YouTube don't pay. It's for the love of the art. At least for these small content creators, they don't really pay. But it ain't about that. I'm getting paid for what I do. I'm just trying to express and show y'all what I got going on. I thank y'all for the hearts. Thank y'all for the reactions, man. I appreciate y'all. Bro, they said quit promoting whack channels. Nah, I'm just playing. They said don't promote whack channels on it. Nah, I'm just playing. Nah, they ain't say nothing. I'm just playing. Thank you so much. Appreciate y'all. Ooh, got that one. I'm gonna keep putting them right here, Rich, unlabeled, all right?